Welcome. This is Sharmi Datta for Channel NE24. A felicitation event for eminent personalities and meritorious students was jointly organized by the Wasak Youth Organization and Bhubaneswar Public Senior Secondary School in Silchar, Assam. The ceremony held at the school's conference hall honored 6 distinguished individuals for their contributions, including former teachers, playwrights, social workers, politicians, and educationists. Additionally, 18 high-achieving students who excelled in their secondary and higher secondary examinations were recognized. Key attendees in this program were Dr. Bishnu Prasad Singh, who was the chief guest. Special guests included Dr. Dhriti Kanto Rajkumar, Shyam Kishore Singh, Bashdhan Sharma, and Surendra Singh. The event was smoothly orchestrated by Pranay Kumar Singh with significant participation from Wasak Youth Organization members including President Bijon Singh and Secretary Rabi Sena Singh. Guests praised the event as a testament to the area's pride and unity. For more news and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page to stay connected with us.
Wasak Youth Organization Bikrampur, Bhubaneswar Public Senior Secondary, Bhubaneswar collaboration with Green Academy Pakilpar একটি আড়ম্বরপূর্ণ সমাবেশে এলাকার ছাত্রছাত্রীদের সম্বর্ধিত করা হয়েছে। অনেক ছাত্রছাত্রীরা যারা মাধ্যমিক এবং উচ্চ মাধ্যমিকে কৃতিত্বের সহিত সফলভাবে উত্তীর্ণ হয়েছেন তাদেরকে মানপত্র এবং উৎসাহমূলক কিছু সামগ্রী দিয়ে ওদেরকে উৎসাহিত করা হয়েছে।